Hello and welcome. This is a Centrex Software sales demo video on contact management and deal management within Centrex Software. Let's go ahead and get started. So in the Centrex Software platform for brokers, for ISOs, for affiliates, for funders, for syndicators, you have a full CRM, deal management, pipeline management, contact management system built into Centrex Software. Let's go ahead and start at the contact side. So if I jump in the contacts tab, down here, you're going to be able to see a whole bunch of contacts stacked down the page. Now, depending what contacts you're looking at has a lot to do with what list you're looking at. So in Centrex Software, we give you a few lists out of the box. The all contacts list, the my contacts list, and then you've got shared contacts lists as well down below. You've got my lists and system lists. So like I said, the system lists are out of the box. The my lists are ones that you've created. What you can do in Centrex Software is you can come up to new list. You can title the list whatever you'd like. You can share it with teams or users. Over here on the far right, you can drag and drop what data points you'd like to see on this particular list. So full name, email, home phone, stage, status, and those are the columns going from left to right. And then more importantly, you have the available filters that you want to show on this particular list. Look how many filters we give you in the Centrex Software platform. I mean, just tons. A very popular filter in the Centrex Software platform is status. So if you have a workflow built into your system, you can filter on status. So whatever strategy you come up with for building different types of lists in the software, you can toggle between those lists throughout today to manage your data, and data will show up on those lists. Now, the list building function in Centrex Software is fully dynamic. It's fully alive and breathing every day. So depending on the filters you put on that list, data will fall off of one list and onto another list, again, depending on those filters. For example, if you have a time-sensitive filter on a list, for example, I want to see all my contacts that came in 3 days ago in the state of California. Every single day you pull up that 3-day California list, you're going to see data from 3 days ago in the state of California. So every day the list data will be completely different. So you don't have to build lists over and over again. They're constantly changing depending on how you build your lists. We offer some amazing consulting packages here at Centrex Software to build out what we call a dynamic data management strategy for you. We've seen a lot of success and a lot of failure in the industry when it comes to managing data, and we can build some really great strategies for you that we know work really well in the industry, where the entire company is managing their data the same exact way, but can only see data on lists that belong to them and them only. Managers can see the people they manage, and then owners can see everything. Okay, so as far as contact management, you've got some filters here down the middle of the page to do quick searches, but list building is going to be your bread and butter when it comes to filtering contacts. Now, we've also got deal management built in the software. So a deal is associated with a contact. A deal is essentially an opportunity you have to broker, fund, or syndicate a particular contact. So if I'm in Al's Laundry Service here, and I jump into the deals section, you will be able to see all the different types of deal opportunities I have on file for Al's Laundry Service here. If I were to click on the Masters Deals tab, if you decide to join us here at Centrex Software, we will build out a customized pipeline for you based on statuses. Deal statuses is what we call these. And you can see here, they've got numbers next to each word. So if I've got a deal status called new submission or underwriting review or merchant reviewing offer, you can see the number I have. I can click on this section of the pipeline and that deal pops up here and I can drill into that particular deal. So this is fully customized here as far as pipeline and deal management. And then back in the contacts tab, list building for managing your contacts. This has been a Centrex Software sales demo video on contact management and deal management within Centrex Software. We look forward to chatting with you soon.